Welcome back, everyone. Today we're going to be taking the drone up and over Middleton, the family-friendly village right in the Villages, Florida. If you've ever wondered what it's like to live in the community built from the ground up for families, all while sitting alongside one of the world's biggest retirement hotspots, you're in for a treat. Let's dive into what makes Middleton tick. Stick around for the full scoop. First up, the homes, because that's where it all starts, right? Middleton is planned for a whopping 8,280 homes across 2,480 acres. That is a huge footprint. The developers are rolling out a variety of styles to fit every family's need. The Playground series kicks off in the low 200s. Think cozy 2-bedroom, 2-bath homes around 974 square feet. Under air, perfect for young couples or small families. Then you've got the Recess series starting at $220,000 with options for 2 to 4 bedrooms and up to 2,800 square feet. For bigger crews, the Field Day series jumps in at $280,000 with 3 or 4 bedrooms and 2-car garages, some even with golf cart parking. And if you're dreaming big, the Range series tops out in the 320s, offering over 4,400 square feet of living space. Whether you're just starting out or need room for the whole gang, Middleton's got a floor plan for you. Let's talk parks, because what's a family community without places to stay? Middleton's already got Lake Harlow and Dry Creek Park up and running with serene lakeside views, fishing spots, and open spaces for kicking back. Thurston Park just joined the lineup too, boasting a big pool, unique playground gear, and plenty of room to roam. The plan? A whole network of recreation areas woven throughout. Think playgrounds, swimming pools, basketballs and pickleball courts, dog parks, and even a splash pad for the little ones. There's talk of waterfront trails connecting it all so you can bike or stroll from one end of Middleton to the other. It's all about that outdoor Florida lifestyle here. Education's a cornerstone of Middleton, and it shows. Right in the middle of the community, you've got 2 brand new campuses for the Villages Charter School, 1 K through 8 and 1 high school. These A-rated schools already serve over 4,000 students, and they're growing fast. Here's the cool part. Enrollment's tied to the workforce. If a parent works for the Villages or one of its partner organizations like healthcare, construction, or hospitality, their kids can attend. It's a smart way to attract top talent to the area while giving families access to stellar education. The high school even hosted its first graduating class last May and is slated to host the Florida High School Rural Football Championship soon. Talk about putting Middleton on the map. So how many people are we talking about? With 8,280 homes planned, let's do some quick math. Assuming 3 to 4 people per household, a pretty standard range for families, you're looking at 25 to 33,000 residents when Middleton's finally built out. That's not just a neighborhood, that's a thriving town. And it's all designed to support the Villages, which is home to over 130,000 retirees. Middleton's here to house the workforce that keeps the massive 55-plus community humming. Think teachers, nurses, builders, and more. It's a symbiotic setup. Families get a great place to live, and the village gets all the talent it needs to keep growing. Now let's get over to the main attraction, because Middleton's not just about homes and schools. The crown jewel is the upcoming downtown Middleton, a 350,000 square foot hub of shopping, dining, and everyday essentials. Picture this: grabbing a burger at Victory Family Sports Grill, set to open this fall, or browsing Middleton Plaza for some retail therapy. There's even a Circle K popping up soon for gas and snacks on the go. And the best part, it's all connected by a massive network of trails, tunnels, and pathways. Leave the car at home and hop on a bike, scooter, or even a golf cart. Middleton's built for that laid-back, family-friendly vibe. You can roll from your house to downtown, swing by a park, or head to school without breaking a sweat. What's really neat about Middleton is how it fits into the bigger picture. The Villages has been a 55-plus paradise for decades, but as it grows, doubling in size to potentially 180,000 residents by 2030, they need a workforce to match. Middleton's the answer. A non-age restricted community where families can put down roots. It's not just about housing though. The developers are leaning into community vibes. Think events like Middleton Mingle with games and live music, or the Light Up Middleton tree lighting ceremony. It's a place where neighbors feel like family and there's always something going on. Let's wrap this up with a quick recap. Middleton's bringing 8,280 homes from starter spots to sprawling estates. Parks like Lake Harlow, Dry Creek, and Thurston are just the start of recreation network that'll keep families busy. 2 top-tier charter schools are raising the bar in education and population of 25,000 to 33,000 and will make this a buzzing community. Add in a 350,000 square foot downtown and trails galore, and you got a recipe for family living done right. Oh, fun fact. Middleton's got no age restrictions, so anyone can buy in, grandparents included. Middleton residents aren't on the hook for that fee, and they don't get the key to that kingdom either. But here's the kicker. If you've got family in the Villages, they can sponsor you for a guest pass. That could mean a day at the pool or a round of golf with Grandma and Grandpa. Otherwise, Middleton's building its own vibe with parks, pools, and downtown perks tailored for families. So no, you're not getting access to the full Villages lifestyle, but you're getting something unique. And honestly, a lot of Middleton folks seem pretty happy with that. Okay, let's flip the script for a second. Can residents of the Villages head over to Middleton and enjoy what's there? You bet they can. Middleton's non-age restricted like the Villages, so it's wide open to everyone. No gatekeeping here. If you're a Villages resident itching to visit family, grab a bite at downtown Middleton, or just explore, there's nothing stopping you. That 350,000 square foot downtown area? Open to the public. Victory Family Sports Grill, Middleton Plaza, all of it. The parks like Lake Harlow and Dry Creek? Same deal. Anyone can swing by for a picnic or walk. The trails and pathways connecting Middleton? Golf cart friendly and fair game for the Villages folks who love to cruise. The catch? It's not part of the Villages' private amenity system, so it's more like visiting a neighborhood town than popping into a restricted club. Think of it as a family-friendly extension right next door. Villages residents can roll in any time, no guest pass needed. It's all about that open, connected community feel. So what do you think? Could Middleton be your next home, or maybe a spot for your kids or grandkids to settle near the Villages? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear what's on your mind. If you've enjoyed this drone tour, smash that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more adventures in the Villages. Until next time, keep exploring, and we'll see you in the next one.